Hi everyone, my name is Paul. Welcome to my channel, Beautiful British English. Today I do not have a lesson for you. I have something better. I have an invitation for you. Actually, an invitation to a live listening class that's taking place on Wednesday, the 23rd of June at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. That's Central European time. So below this video you will see a link where you can sign up and register for the live class, and this class is all about improving your listening and understanding skills. Yeah, it's absolutely free. It's going to take place on Google Meet, so if you'd like to join me for a free live listening class, and it really is live, it'll be you and me. Well, hopefully there'll be lots of you and me during the lesson. It'll be great. 1 hour on Wednesday the 23rd of June. Click the link below this video, register, and I'll see you all there.